Welcome to the short tutorial video of our feature Budget Suggestions. This feature makes optimizing your budget very easy. It is updated daily and offers insights into the optimal budget necessary to achieve the targets that you set in the target section. If you don't know how to set up your targets yet, please watch our tutorial video on how to set targets. We start our video as always in the monitor page, and from here we go to the Reports button on the top. It opens a drop-down, and now we go to the Budget Suggestions. We are now in the Budget section. Adspert monitors campaign budgets and shared budgets every day and determines whether the budget was sufficient enough to cover the full targeted time, as a coverage of 100%. Its algorithm will attempt to reduce the CPC bits accordingly whenever it detects that there wasn't enough budget to fully cover the targeted time. Here we can see the list of those campaigns which Adspert recommends us to increase the budget. It tells us which campaign in specific we need to pay attention to. In the table, it indicates us which is the current budget of the specific campaign, as well as what is the recommended budget and what would be the estimated spending. We also find here the average cost within the last 7 days and the budget usage, as well as the average coverage within the last 7 days. Since the average coverage is below 100%, we have the recommendation to increase our budget. You might have realized that there's a difference between the value of the recommended budget and the estimated spent budget. Adspert works with a little buffer of the budget to make sure we will have 100% coverage of the campaigns. The default setting only shows suggested increases. By unchecking the little tick box, we would also see those campaigns for which Adspert recommends us to decrease the budget. Budget suggestions are always provided on a campaign level and can be exported as an Excel file by clicking the download icon to the left here. You can also use the search bar in the upper right corner to narrow down your review to what's more relevant to you. If you scroll a bit further down, you will find a graphic that gives you an overview in terms of costs, budget, and coverage. The graph always refers to the campaign you have selected on the top and which is then highlighted bold. In this case, it would be this campaign. To see the graph on a different campaign, just click on the one you are interested in, and the graph will change accordingly. We recommend reviewing budget suggestions at least once a week and taking action as necessary. I hope this video helped you to understand Adspert's budget function. In case of questions, you can always contact us here in this little chat box.